Alright, so the Deadpool event is finally live, and if you're trying to get that 7-star Human Torch or Red Guardian, you need 2 million Deadweights. So let me just walk you through how to get all of that for free without messing anything up. So first thing, just logging in, you're getting 250k Deadweights straight up, no effort. And if you've been consistent with the login calendar and already finished those 7 days before the event dropped, you should be sitting at around 950k the moment you log in today. So yeah, you're already almost halfway there without doing anything. Now next, go to the web store. And yeah, I know most people ignore it, but this time you actually don't want to skip it. Scroll a bit, and you'll see Deadpool's weighty free gift. Just claim it, it goes straight to your in-game mailbox. Once you grab that and open it in-game, your total jumps to around 1.2 million Deadweights. Also, quick tip, there's a small bug right now where it doesn't clearly show what platinum piece you already have, so just double check before you pick anything there. Now at this point, you're chilling. But now comes the part where you actually play a bit. Deadpool's amusement solo event. This one is super simple. You just need to win fights. Doesn't matter where, story, side quest, road to the labyrinth, whatever you want. You get points for using certain tags like stone, war, Deadpool-related champs, but honestly, even without overthinking it, you'll progress naturally. Total rewards here go up to 700k Deadweights, and you only need 5,000 points to max it out. So yeah, just play the game normally for a bit, or auto-farm something in the background, and you'll finish it easily. By the time you've done this, you're sitting at around 1.9 million. Now for that final push. This is where people get confused. You need to go back to the web store again and start claiming those daily and weekly free points. There are 2 separate ones. Daily gives you plus 2 points, weekly gives plus 6. So basically, if you've already claimed the weekly, you're already at 8 points. From there, you either wait for the weekly reset in a few days, or just keep claiming the daily ones for about 6 more days to hit that first milestone, which gives you the last 100k Deadweights. And that's it. You hit your 2 million. Now here's something very important that a lot of people didn't know at first. That 2 million cost is only for Valiant players. If you're Paragon or Thronebreaker, the cost is actually 2.5 million. So yeah, if you're not Valiant, you either need to push to Valiant fast, or you're gonna have to spend if you still want that selector. And now, let's talk about the biggest trap in this event, those bundles and empowered grace crystals. I'm telling you right now, you're gonna be sitting there at like 1.9 million, just waiting for that last 100k. And then you'll see something like 60 crystals for 1.2 million, and you'll be like, maybe just one opening. Don't do it. The drop rates for Ascended champs are like 0.45%, which is honestly terrible. You can burn all your Deadweights and get absolutely nothing useful. And then boom, no 7-star for you. So yeah, unless you're okay with gambling, just stay focused and lock in your champion first. Now to be fair, if you do miss a login or you're short on points, some of those bundles actually have decent value, especially if you're someone who likes opening a ton of crystals. There's stuff with like 75 plus crystals, dust, rank up materials, all that usual Kabam take my money stuff. But again, it depends on what you want. Because here's the thing, Human Torch and Red Guardian are exclusive. Especially Torch. That guy was insanely expensive before, like we're talking crazy unit cost and even real money deals. So a lot of people missed him, and this is one of the rare chances to actually get him. So personally, I'd say prioritize the guaranteed champion over gambling. And yeah, that's pretty much everything you need to know. Just log in, grab your free stuff, grind a bit, don't get baited by crystals, and you're walking away with a free 7-star. Now I'm actually curious. What are you going for? Human Torch or Red Guardian?